listening to the class from our great personality, respected Sri Krishna sir. And sir gave us excellent class. Sir gave us a lot of information regarding planning and how do we prepare a perfect lesson plan and what plan we have to do. Sir said us. And sir said about the supreme role as a teacher, what are the role that we have, sir said. And sir said while planning any lesson, so we should have three skills we should know very importantly. Those skills, sir said, the first thing he said about that is VARK, that should be known, that is visual, oral and reading, writing and kinesthetic. That is the first skill we should know very well. And next he said about MI, that is multiple intelligence, that is very necessary. And then individual difference, that is also very necessary in order to have the first best lesson plan. And thereafter sir said about the meaning of multiple intelligence, that should be known. And it is the MI, it was introduced by Harvard Gardner, sir said about that. So then sir gave a best example regarding what we say, that is simulation, by having the example of car driving practice. So by giving that example, sir said about the meaning of simulation, and these are the very necessary, wherein when we are talking about what we say, that is VARK, how there are different types of learners. Visual learners comes under V, and oral learners and kinesthetic learners. In kinesthetic learners, body and physical movement is very necessary. In visual, that is they learn through what we say, through pictures. And in EA, that is some learners are there, they learn through oral. So we have to keep all these points in our mind before planning any lesson. And sir said there is tools for identifying learning. So there sir said about diagnostic test, that is moving from unknown to known. And thereafter sir said about different kinds of assessment, that is formative and what is say summative assessments. It's a continuous process in formative, and summative assessment we have to conduct at the end of the what unit test or final examination. And sir said the differences between evaluation and assessment, that we had the confusion before, and sir has cleared us that doubt. Really sir, I am very excited from your class sir. And sir said the differences between, that is Bloom's taxonomy, we had that concept only, but there is a what we say, disciple Anderson, he modified that Bloom's taxonomy in new form. That is in Bloom's taxonomy we know that is the stages knowledge, understand, apply, analysis, synthesis and skill in Bloom's taxonomy, but the modified version developed by Anderson, that is a disciple of that what we say Bloom, he said that his stages are not in that way. It should be remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating and finally creating. This is the more expectation, that is creating should be the main focus in this present scenario, sir said very well. And now even though when we are talking about 21st century skills, the main focus is on creating, that we should know. And sir said about the instructional objective, it should be SMART. SMART is nothing but specific, measurable, what we say, attainable, relevant and time based. And sir said a very interesting fact, that is ABCD of instructional objective, that is ABCD is nothing but audience, that is behavior, C for condition, D for degree. The main thing is we have to go on based on ABCD method only while planning, teaching. And finally, I want to say that objectives should be two types, that is teaching methodology and assessment. There are two types of objective, general objective and specific objective. Finally, I conclude the feedback that sir said that while planning we should keep in our mind 5 main points, that is WARK, V-A-R-K, next MI, that is multiple intelligence, third is individual difference, that should be focused, and Bloom's taxonomy, that is Bloom's modified taxonomy, and finally teaching methodology. These 5 skills we should have mastery before planning any best planning format. Overall, I am very thankful to our sir that finally sir gave a reflection also very well, and he used that his project very comfortably. Overall, we have gained a lot of knowledge, deep knowledge in this today's class. Comparing to the what we say recent classes, today's class is very effective, sir. I am very thankful from me and on behalf of everyone, sir, for having the wonderful what we say using time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.